Look, I'm going to cut straight to it. In the last 30 days, my business revenue didn't just go up, it doubled. And I'm not talking about a small bump. We're talking about a massive leap. The secret? 3 AI tools. Not the usual suspects you've heard about a million times, but specific game-changing applications. Stick around, because the last one, honestly, it blew my mind and completely reshaped my entire workflow. Hey, I'm Mare, and I help entrepreneurs like you leverage technology to scale smarter, not harder. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind, stuck in a revenue plateau, or just curious about how AI can actually deliver tangible results, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing the exact 3 AI tools that made this revenue doubling possible. First up is the tool that helped me analyze customer data more efficiently. The second tool automated my marketing, saving me hours of work every week. Finally, the third tool transformed my customer service into a streamlined experience. Each of these tools played a crucial role in doubling my business revenue. I'm excited to share my journey and help you achieve similar success. Don't let just the idea of AI overwhelm you. It's a game changer you can leverage too. Embracing these tools can truly be a transformative experience. Join me on this journey to discover how AI can elevate your business too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.